Yeah, okay. I think this is on. Hold up, right John, okay, this is on. Flip this around. Welcome back. This is part 2. I'm gonna go find this legendary kitten. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, then get out of here. You see the part 1 first. Okie dokie. But if you didn't, get out of here. Okay? So, but if you've already seen part 1, come on, let's go find this kitten. So today my dad already found it. I have a dad. Weird. And let's go find this legendary kitten, shall we? Upstairs to doom again. Dun, 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 dun. I'm already getting tired of being out here just going up the steps. 360 no scope. In here? Well, let's go and check in here. Okay, nope. Herbal looker. My dad said he found it, but exactly where did he find it? Hear that could have been someone trying to kill my kitten. But if it's not, good, because I want to keep this kitten. Okay, hold up. Just give me a moment. I have to. Okay, wait. I forgot to say I have to pee for a moment. Okay, so just give me. Okay, let's move on. I'm done with my action of peeing. I always check this over here. Over here, check my trees because my cats love to climb trees. I saw my kittens. I used to see my kittens always climb those. I used to have 5 kittens when 4 were dead. 5 are dead. I just used to see them climb. Or wait, what? No, wait, there's 3 left. Okay, but so we went from 4 black ones. Okay, and then 3 died, and then 4 gray ones came along. And some of them died. And guess what? 3 of the black ones died. 1 made it. And it was my absolute favorite kitten. My absolutely favorite kitten. Named it Tipper. Tipper McCloud, but cat render. Because it was back then it was the only one. It was the only black kitten left, so, and it had a tip on its tail, so that's why we called it Tipper. Hold up, I'm gonna have to grab some advice from my dad. If I can get his attention. Notch. Hey, open up.